Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Prestige P. If you are new here, welcome. So in today's video I was inspired by colors. Like, I wanted colors on my eyes. Summer is around the corner and I just want to be glam, so I'm giving you a summer sunset makeup look today. This was really simple and easy to do, and I'm going to show you how I get this look. Make sure you already subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell because I do upload Monday through Friday. So yeah, let's jump right into this tutorial. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did one side off camera, so now I'm going to show you the other side. I went into the LA Girl Pro in the shade Fawn, and this is what I'm going to take to clean up under my brows, and I'm also going to take it all the way down to my eyelid, but I'm not going to clean up the top. I'm only going to clean up the bottom of my eyebrow. So next I'm just going to take another fluffy brush and I'm just going to tap off some of the excess concealer that is on it, because I don't want too much concealer, but I just want it to be like smooth and nice and not have too much of a sticky feel. So now I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Magic Mini, and I'm going to take this orange shade and it's called Zakia from the palette, and I'm not going to like tap it in then blend it out. I'm only going to tap it on and just keep on blending and put it on more colors, so that when it's all done I could get that final result of shade that I want. So basically I'm just going to tap it on and just keep on putting on more. Next, I'm going to go into the James Charles and Morphe, and I'm taking that pink shade, and it's like a bubblegum pink, and I'm putting that onto a small other brush, and I'm going to tap it right into the crease. Just tap it on and blend it with the other shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that same color, the first shade that I showed you from the palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and just tap it on more because it was kind of fading out, so I just wanted to get that more color on top. So I'm just going to go ahead and just put some more and tap it on. Normally I like to tap it on then blend it out, but this time I'm not doing that, and I realized that I do get more of a brighter color on my lid. Next, I'm going to take that yellow shade from the James Charles, and I'm going to tap it onto the top, like really close to my brow bone, like right on top. And I'm just going to go ahead and tap it on, and while I'm tapping it on, I'm kind of making it blend together so that you have all three colors showing. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lid. Then I'm going to use another bigger brush just to take off a little bit more of that concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and use that pink shade that I showed you in the James Charles palette, and I'm going to take that right onto the outer corner. Next, I'm going to go into that nice champagne shade, and I'm going to put it right into the inner corner only, just right into the inner corner so that I could get that nice highlight inside. Now I'm going to go into that yellow shade that I did use on the brow bone and just blend it right into the center. Next, I'm going to take this nice orange shade and I'm going to put it right on top of the yellow. I really didn't want to do this because it really didn't show that much, but because I did it on the first eye, I just wanted to continue and doing it so that both eyes don't look different with the color. So I just want to pop it right on top of that yellow. And then I'm going to go back into that pink shade and just blend everything together right onto the outer corner. Now I'm going to go ahead and just, kind of put more colors onto the top. The same colors, I'm just going to go ahead and just make sure that everything is showing and nothing is like blended out. I just want all colors to show, so I'm just going to go back and just make sure that everything is very smooth and nicely blended. Now I'm going to go and do a wing, and I'm taking my NYX wing liner. You guys know this is my favorite, so I'm going to take that and do a nice wing. Now I'm going to go back into the Juvias, and I'm taking this one called IFE or LFE. It's really nice. It's like a navy blue, and I'm taking it onto a pencil brush, and I'm going to tap it right onto where I do that wing. So because the wing liner is black, I wanted to have a different color, and I kind of like the navy brown blue shade. So I'm going to go ahead and just tap it right on top so that you have a nice blue wing. Now I'm going to go into my Maybelline mascara and do my lashes. And the lash I'll be wearing today is Fluffy from my website. It's always in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on and basically kind of finish off the eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up that wing. I'm taking that concealer that I used in the beginning, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a nice cut line. And then that same concealer I'm going to use to color correct. Normally I go into the LA Girl in orange, but today I wanted to use that concealer because why not? So I'm going to go ahead and put it right underneath my eyes. And where I normally would have concealed, I'm putting a concealer there for the color correct, and I'm going to put it around my mouth area, those 5 o'clock shadows. And then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender and blend it out. Now I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place palette, and this one is Malawi 230, and I realized I put a lot, and I was like, god damn it, this was a lot. But don't worry, I'm gonna blend it out and make sure everything is smooth and nice. So I'm gonna use that brush, and I'm gonna blend it all the way down because I don't want my neck to have two colors, but as you can see, that is definitely blended. And it's my shade. Now I'm going to go into the Fenty in 380, and I'm going to use that to conceal under my eyes. Where else? Wherever I normally conceal, that's where I'm going to put it. The bridge of my nose and my no, I'm not going to put it on my forehead because you guys know I normally don't put it on my forehead, but I'm going to put it on my chin. Then I'm going to use my Fenty matte stick in the shade Expresso and do a cream contour today. You guys know I don't cream contour, but today I just feel like doing a nice beat to my face. So I'm going to cream contour, and then I'm going to take a nice straight angle brush and use that for my nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a nice, kind of like a spoon brush, if that's how you call it, but I like it. So I'm going to use that to blend out my contour. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that concealer out. Next, I'm going to go back into that brush, and I'm doing my nose contour differently today. I'm going to use that brush to blend out that nose contour. Just kind of blend it out a little bit where you see how I'm blending it outwards. I'm going to use that to blend it out, and then I'm going to use like a pencil brush to for my concealer that I put on my nose. I'm going to use that, and I'm not going to kind of blend it out too much. I want to still have that line, but I want the line to fade out. So I'm going to use a pencil brush and then bring it all the way down, and then wipe it off. Wipe that pencil brush off on a napkin, and then kind of keep blending it out until it's faded, but you're still going to see that line. So you're going to see how it is after I finish blending it out. And as you can see how you still see the line, but it's still blended out. And it's really nice. It looks very natural, and I like it. So now I'm going to go back into that brush and just make sure that the contour is there, but it's faded. Look how nice that is. Very pretty. Next, I'm going to use my Fenty powder in the shade Butter, and I'm going to use that to set under my eyes. I'm not going to bake, you guys know. If you do not, I do have dry skin, so I cannot bake. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that everything is not creased before I put on the powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the powder right underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to put that powder right underneath, not underneath, I'm going to put that powder right where my smile line is, because that's where it first to crease up on me. So I'm going to put more powder there, but I'm definitely going to blend it off right away. And I'm also going to put some powder on the bridge of my nose. So now I'm going to go back into another Fenty, and this one is in Nutmeg, and I'm going to take it onto a clean sponge, and I'm going to tap it wherever I did not conceal. So for the chin and then the forehead. And doing this, it makes my skin look very airbrushed and smooth. I really like doing this. I never did it before. This is my first time trying it out, so you guys see it on camera. But it just gives your skin like a really airbrush look, and I really like it. And then I'm going to take a brush and just brush off the excess powder. Now I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and spray my face. Then I'm going to go back into that navy blue color from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take a pencil brush and tap it right underneath. Now I'm going to go into another smaller brush just to smoke it out a little bit more. And then I'm going to take that nice golden shade from the palette, and it's called Bruno. if that's how you pronounce it. And I'm gonna put it right into my waterline, and this just give it a nice bright shimmer color, and it looks really, really nice. I love it so much. Now I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami, and I'm gonna go ahead and where I normally powder contour, I did cream contour, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it right on top and make sure everything is set properly. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the nose section. I'm going to go into my ABH and blush. This is the Blush Trio in Cocktail Party, and I'm going to go ahead and do a light blush on my cheeks. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. in Coffee and Cream and do a nice small highlight, not too much, not so dramatic. I just want it to be very light but still showing underneath. So this highlight really melts into my skin. It's like every time I put it on, it just melts right in. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right on top of my cheeks. Now I'm going to go in and do my lips. I'm taking a brown lip liner that I got from the beauty supply store, and then I'm going to line my lips, and then I'm going to take my favorite lipstick. It's from Colourpop, which is called Speed Dial, and just put it right into the center and top it off. Now I'm going to take my ABH Dewy Setting Spray and spray my face, and pretty much that is it, guys. This is a nice summer sunset makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to check me out Monday through Friday for more video, and sign off down below. Tell me what you think about this whole entire look. Leave me a comment, like and share, and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.